July 2026 Global Online Training Calendar, Corporate Training Programs, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's competitive global business environment, organizations are expected to deliver quality products and services, ensure regulatory compliance, protect information assets, improve sustainability performance, manage business risks, and continually enhance operational excellence. One of the most effective ways to achieve these objectives is by developing competent professionals through internationally recognized training programs. At URGS International Certification and Instruction Private Limited, we conduct live online professional training programs every month for organizations and professionals across the globe. Our programs are designed for manufacturing industries, automotive companies, aerospace organizations, medical device manufacturers, IT companies, food industries, engineering organizations, pharmaceutical companies, logistic providers, consultants, government organizations, certification professionals, and service industries. Today we will introduce our July 2026 training calendar and explain why which course is important for your organization. ISO 14001-2026 EMS Internal Auditor. In July month we have schedule on 3-4 July, 2 days. Morning time 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time IST. Environmental compliance is becoming a strategic priority worldwide. The course develops competent internal auditors capable of evaluating environmental management systems, ensuring compliance, reducing environmental risks, and supporting sustainability objectives. This course is ideal for manufacturing, chemical, engineering, construction, and infrastructure organizations. ISO 27001 Lead Implementer. Scheduled on 4th, 5th, 11th, 12th, and 13th July. Cyber security threats continue to increase globally. This program helps organizations establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve information security management systems. Perfect for IT companies, banks, healthcare, telecom, government agencies, and organizations handling sensitive information. ISO 42001 Artificial Intelligence Lead Implementer. Also scheduled on 4th, 5th, 11th, 12th, and 13th July. Timing is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST, India time. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Organizations deploying AI solutions must establish governance, ethics, transparency, accountability, and risk management. This course enables professionals to implement AI management systems effectively. ESG awareness, scheduled on 5th July, morning time, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. India time. Environmental, social, and governance practices are now essential for investors, customers, and regulators. Organizations adopting ESG principles improve sustainability, corporate reputation, and long-term growth. ISO 14064 Greenhouse Gas Lead Verifier, scheduled on 6 to 10 July. Organizations worldwide are measuring and verifying greenhouse gas emissions. This course develops professionals capable of GHG accounting, verification, and climate reporting. ISO 27032 Cyber Security Implementation, scheduled on 8 to 10 July. Learn practical cyber security implementation techniques to protect organizational information assets against evolving cyber threats. ISO 13485/EU MDR Internal Auditor, scheduled on 10th to 11th July. Medical device manufacturers must comply with strict international regulations. This course prepares internal auditors to evaluate compliance with ISO 13485 and EU MDR requirements. Awareness programs. During July, we also conduct awareness sessions on ISO 45003, psychological health and safety, ISO 1002, customer satisfaction, 10,002, ISO 14001 transition, ISO 37001 transition, ISO 21001 transition, net zero, sustainable procurement, emergency management. These programs help organizations understand emerging international standards and regulatory expectations. All these programs are one-day programs from morning 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., 8 hours. TISAX and automotive programs. Automotive industries require world-class supplier management and information security. Our programs include TISAX implementation, IATF 16949 internal auditor, CQI 19 supplier management, FMEA. These courses improve supplier quality, manufacturing excellence, customer confidence, and automotive compliance. Information security and privacy programs. Organizations processing confidential information require strong security and privacy controls. We conduct ISO 27017, ISO 27018, ISO 27701, GDPR Data Protection Officer. These programs are available for IT companies, cloud service providers, software organizations, financial institutions, and healthcare organizations. Food safety programs. Food manufacturers face increasing customer and regulatory expectations. Our programs include BRCGS Food Issue 9, FSSC 22000 version 7, FSMA PCQI. These courses strengthen food safety systems and support international market access. Then quality management programs. Quality remains the foundation of every successful organization. Our programs include ISO 9001 Internal Auditor, Integrated Management System Internal Auditor, Six Sigma Green Belt. These programs improve process efficiency, customer satisfaction, operational performance, and control improvement. Aerospace, medical devices, and specialized courses. We also conduct specialized programs including AS 9100 Revision D Internal Auditor, REVD Internal Auditor, ISO 14971 Risk Management, ISO 22716 Cosmetics GMP. These courses support highly regulated industries requiring robust quality and compliance systems. Business continuity, compliance, and anti-bribery. Organizations today face increasing business risks. Our July programs include ISO 22361 Crisis Management Lead Implementer, ISO 22320 Emergency Management, ISO 37301 Compliance Management Lead Auditor, ISO 37001 Anti-Bribery Internal Auditor. These courses strengthen governance, resilience, legal compliance, and organizational integrity. Why corporate organizations choose URGS? Organizations across various industries choose URGS because we provide industry experienced trainers, practical implementation guidance, audit-focused learning, real industrial case studies, interactive online sessions, globally accepted training methodologies, professional study materials, certificates of completion, customized corporate training, weekend and weekday batches, monthly scheduled programs. Whether your organization requires one participant or an entire corporate batch, URGS International delivers flexible learning solutions worldwide. Every month scheduled programs. One major advantage of choosing URGS International is that these professional programs are conducted every month. We have weekend, 5 days morning batches, and evening classes for all these programs. Minimum 4 to 5 participants are required to organize the private batch for each program. This enables organizations to plan employee competency development throughout the year without waiting for long training cycles. We conduct these programs every month. This is our advantage. Corporate organizations can also request exclusive in-house online or on-site programs according to their business requirements. At last closing, developing competent professionals is one of the best investments an organization can make. Whether your objective is certification, regulatory compliance, operational excellence, sustainability, information security, AI governance, food safety, automotive quality, medical device compliance, or control improvement, URGS International has a training solution for your organization. We invite organizations and professionals from around the world to join our monthly live online training programs. For corporate nominations, group registrations, or customized training solutions, contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Mode live online. Timing 10:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saudi time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates on ISO standards, management systems, professional certification programs and global corporate training opportunities. We look forward to welcoming you to our upcoming monthly training programs. Thank you.